excuse how I'm looking right now, but I am on my way to get a pap smear, and I feel like I want to take you guys with me simply because I feel like there is not much awareness that's spread when it comes to like a lot of in-depth feminine stuff like this. Um, Nothing is wrong with me. Well, I hope nothing is wrong with me. I just did a life insurance plan thingy, and that's one of the things that come with it. And I'm now 25, which I was told that you're supposed to do pap smear starting 21. You are supposed to get pap smear done from your 21. I'm 25, so I feel like I'm not that far away from it because I think it's every 3 years. So yeah, I'm going to get one done and I'm taking y'all with me. So guys, I actually got a taxi to the last week that we saw. I am currently at the doctor's office waiting for my turn. So yeah, I was explaining earlier that I just wanted to do this video to basically kind of spread like awareness when everyone knows that we have it's not a bad thing and to shed some light on getting people to understand it. So yeah. What's the date of birth? June the 28th, 1998. To eat. So yeah, first meal of the day. For me, it was uncomfortable. Um, Also, I felt like because that it is not that bad, honestly. From my experience, it in there like, oh my god, this is just relax. I know, guys, I kid you not, when the lady started inserting the speculum, I was like so tense, and she was like, honey, relax, I think it's going to be on the way. She was like, honey, just relax, and in my head I was like, honey, you are not the one getting it done, so please do not tell me to relax or whatever. But I guess she was trying to make me feel comfortable or whatever. But if you're thinking about it, definitely get it done. If someone is telling you that you should get it done, definitely get it done, even if it's just once, just for you to get. That was it, 2004, the twins. I am really not sure, but it's around that price range. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Walk good. Love you guys.